Okay, we got a 2024 Toyota RAV4. I'm going to show you how to pull out your cabin air filter if you'd like to service it. It's really, really simple. This will save you some money too. So it's going to be located behind your glove box. So we're going to open the glove box. First step is to disconnect this door damper here. What we do is just click on it and it pops right off. Push on it. Then we're going to have to get the glove box past these stopper points here by just pushing it in like that and pulling down. Pushing it in, pulling down on both sides. Then you can lower the glove box down. Okay. You get a chance to look at this damper here. Now there's another hinge right here it can come off of, so if it does, it looks like this has a hole in it like that, just like that. You can just put it back on here. It's just clipped on there, just like this. It's not a big deal if it comes off. We just don't want to break it. So you can see how this piston moves. Definitely want to take it off first because you can pull this out of here. All right. So here's our cabin filter door. You notice that this says up. We're going to put this back exactly how we took it off. On the right side here, there's some clips that we need to squeeze with our fingers and then pull the door towards us. That unlocks it. The left side doesn't work like that. It uses these little feet that go in these slots. And notice that there's these little feet on the door, okay? And those feet fit in between here, all right? Take it out of here. This thing's got some grass in it. Now, I'm gonna take a picture of this and show it to my customer. It needs to be replaced. You can see the color change in it. It's actually kind of brown. There's a little bit of dirt in it, but you can probably get another oil change out of it before it's totally nasty. Go ahead and just take the filter out of its holder like this. There is this little piece right here that needs to go in between these fins. It can be a little tricky to put back in, but you can get it. Now notice that on this filter it says up. This is a factory filter. On an aftermarket filter, it will actually say airflow direction, okay? And the airflow direction is gonna be down. Now when you put this back in, you need to make sure you put the back end first as high as you can. You put it in here like this, where it's dropped down like this, and you can't get your finger in the slot, this door won't go back on. So we need to kind of angle it when we put this in, where the back goes up, and then it kind of stays higher up where you get your finger in here. Alright, then we get the door here, put the left side on, put that on here. Let me just get the door, close it, get the damper, put it back on here. And yeah, I forgot to tell you that if you need a premium cabin air filter, check in the description box and in the comment box. There'll be links there for some upgraded cabin filters. They're a little bit better than the factory ones. They're a little thicker and have charcoal built into them to help you out with the odors. And that's pretty much it. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, we would really appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button, support the channel, hit the like button, and leave me a comment if you could. Hope to see you again in another Toyota video. Thanks for watching.